Hi, my name is Richard Bird from Raine and Horne, Ipswich, and welcome to number 88 Cothill Road, Silkstone. Approximately built in 1960, as you can see, the home is a weatherboard home. It'll have a hardwood frame. You've got a galvanised iron roof underneath the home. Stumps are a mixture of concrete and steel. Floorboards underneath the vinyl, which you'll see a little bit later on in the video, are hardwood floorboards, so about 4 inches wide. They'll polish up beautifully. Well, it's undeniable. It's a massive block of land coming in at 959 square metres. There's loads of space to explore, plenty of room for extra buildings, outbuildings, granny flats, pools, sheds, you name it, you're going to fit it in here. Look, the home itself has had a bit of a repaint from time to time, though largely it's in original condition. You can see that from the bathroom and the laundry. The kitchen has had an update at some point in the past. It's in move-in ready condition. Certainly there's plenty of scope to come in and renovate and do whatever you need to do, but you could move in and do that as you were able to or could afford to. As you can see, the home is actually a very generous size. The bedrooms are all of an excellent size. I mentioned it earlier that you could definitely move in and you could add some value. You can renovate or to your heart's content. And for those that are looking as an investment, you know what? The home is pretty much ready to rent out straight away. I can't see any reason why we couldn't advertise almost immediately. The home has got an upgraded meter board, upgraded fuses, obviously upgraded meter as you can see in the photo. Smoke alarms are compliant. It's air conditioning. As mentioned earlier, there is also steel and concrete stumps under the home. Thanks for taking the time to inspect the home via video. I know it's not the most exciting of videos, but I hope it's been helpful. My name's Richard Bird from Raine and Horne, Ipswich. Thank you so much for watching. Call me on 0448 418 518 if you have any other further questions.